Hello, welcome to the Michigan Pour. I'm Brent Wenz.
I'm Dan Burrows.
And as we continue our cocktail series, today we're going to try the Rosie's Peach Floral Fizz.
Oh boy.
This is a water tower gin, Rosie's gin. We are going to do 2 ounces of water tower Rosie's gin.
What do we go down to the method? We had
Muddle peach slices and mint in a shaker. We're not doing mint.
we're kind of minted out.
We're kind of minted out. A lot of these cocktail recipes seem to have mint as a theme.
Does it say how many peaches?
It just says muddle peach slices.
What's it?
Half ripe peach.
Sure.
So half a peach, guys.
Sure.
We're gonna need some for garnish. You didn't. Oh my gosh.
No.
All right, keep some of the peaches for garnishes. All right. Then you need 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna go with bottled lemon juice because that's what we got.
Yeah. You said 3/4?
3/4 ounce. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, but Dan has peach simple syrup, so we figured for this one we'd do the peach. 1/2 ounce, yep. So we're gonna go with the peach simple syrup for this one. We don't follow our own recipes. It's kind of fun, but and then it goes. You can put mint leaves in. We're not gonna do mint leaves on this one.
Muddle all this together then?
Yep, you're gonna muddle that together, and then you're gonna add the gin. He's muddling along.
I will say this is probably gonna be really good with fresh tree ripened peaches.
Yeah. Yep.
We're not quite in the season yet.
Yep.
So I had to break into a stash of frozen peaches from last year.
I think we'll speed this up.
Dan will speed it up, so you know.
Yep.
He's the one who edits.
Yes.
All right, now what do we got?
So now you're going to add your gin.
2 ounces.
You're going to go with
2 ounces.
2 ounces of Water Tower Rosie's gin. We got to get down to Water Tower. Got to visit them.
I've been there.
I know I have not. So I do enjoy the Rosie's gin though. It's very good.
I really loved going to Water Tower.
Yeah.
Because we've focused so much distilling on bourbon.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, we have whiskey, but we do gin.
Yeah.
Like, oh.
Okay. And we're not huge. We're growing. Gin is definitely growing on us.
We used to be one of those guys that said,
oh, gin tastes like a pine tree. But yeah, we've learned a lot about gin.
Yeah, we have been proven very,
very wrong.
Ooh. Made a breakfast mistake. Good 10-second shake, I'm assuming.
10-second shake. Double strain into a highball glass over ice.
I don't have any highball.
Well, we're just going to do our whiskey glasses. Ooh, it's thick. That is thick. And then you're going to top with club soda. Give it a stir. Someday.
There's a lot of peaches in there.
Yeah. That smells very good. Oh, you get a lot of that gin on there. Very good. A little bit of soda water. Dan makes his own because he's Dan.
Oh. It's hard to tell because this is a...
You split it up 2 ways.
Is a single cocktail.
Yeah, right. Throw a peach in there. Garnish. Nice. Gentle stir. I'm just gonna shake mine. Oh, it smells amazing.
Rosie's Peach Floral Fizz.
I That is
Ooh.
nice.
Ooh.
That's nice.
Ooh.
Very refreshing.
Ooh.
Summery. That's a summery drink right there.
That is a good one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I tell you, I've been completely turned around on gin.
That is.
I never liked gin before, but it makes such a great cocktail.
That is. Light, refreshing.
You get that juniper nice flavor with the mix with the peach. Just balances really well.
Man. So good.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys are ever in the Ypsilanti area,
Check out Water
definitely
Tower.
go check out Scott and his wife down at Water Tower. It's a cool place, cool hangout. I remember we were following them since they were building the bar.
Yeah.
And finally,
I still have not had a chance to get down there, but I definitely want to.
Yeah, I was going to the Montrose or Monroe
Right.
Craft Distillers
Craft
Festival.
Distilleries Festival, yep.
And I reached out while I was driving down there. I was like, I don't get this way very often. I got to drive right through Ypsilanti.
Yep.
So I reached out, met him down there. It was a great time.
Yeah.
They make amazing gin. I mean, a whole lineup of gin. I mean,
yeah, if you look at our shelf
gin,
back there,
Michigan
I don't know if you can
gin.
see it, but
so they got gin, Michigan gin, which is funny because they think they should have turned them around. Then they got the Willow Run gin, which is actual like whiskey drinkers gin. It's a good sipping gin. And then we do have one of their bottles of whiskey.
We tried them all. We like them all.
This is a killer cocktail.
That's really good.
I almost say don't add mint to it.
Yeah, I don't know if I would.
I think I'm going to take the mint out of
there. I don't think it needs it.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, happy pours, guys.
Of course.
That's good.
So good.
Be better with fresh peaches.
I don't have fucking fresh peaches.
I said it would be better. I didn't say it was bad.
Or a camera that shuts off.
Yeah, you need to shut your camera off.